Hey, so we got some mountain oysters that we're gonna fry up tonight, and contrary to popular belief, those don't come from cows because cows don't have oysters. And so what I've got here is just 2 cups of self-rising flour, and then some seasoning that I've already mixed up for some other fried stuff that I did. It's paprika and chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and some other stuff. I'll put down in the description below, and some estimates of how much of each it is. But anyway, I'm gonna put this in the flour, and we're just gonna shake this up and give it a taste every now and then. And when you start tasting salt, really, you can stop adding that. This is gonna be basically what everything's seasoned with. So you wanna get it good and seasoned, you know, because that's how things work. Anyway, so we'll come back in just a little bit. Alright, so we got these oysters in here and just give them a shake around in this batter, and we're fixing to drop them in some grease. I think it's hot enough, but yeah. And these will cook really fast, just a couple of minutes, and they'll be perfect. Alright, so we just got back from frying those and eating those oysters. They were pretty good. Did a couple of bushels, I guess. I don't know how you measure those oysters exactly, but there was 15 or 20 of us, and they got cleaned out. So yeah, they cooked for like maybe 4 or 5 minutes per batch in the oil, and it was probably at about 350 or so. That's just a good temperature to deep fry stuff in. But I don't exactly know how you would go about getting some, but if you ever get a chance to, they're really good. If you can get them at a restaurant or something, try them, but they're really good if you make them. I feel like they're better than at a restaurant because you can control what the seasoning is on them. And then I was going to do a video on how to clean them, shuck them, whatever you want to prepare them, but they weren't ready for me to prepare when I was ready to film, and I had to go somewhere yesterday when they were getting done. So hopefully I'll get another batch out sometime and I'll get a video on that. But what we do is we butterfly them open, or if they're really big, we'll cut them in sections that are about a 1/4 inch thick, and then however big they are, you know. And then we just pat them really dry with the paper towels and batter them and fry them like you saw in the video. But anyway, yeah, they're really good. If you ever get a chance to try them, give them a shot. And remember, you can't spell without